Ningbo MOBEAR Auto Parts Company Limited is a professional auto parts supplier in Ningbo. With long accumulated expertise in the industry, MOBEAR produces tensioner, timing kit, timing chain kit, wheel bearing kit, air suspension, and other parts of matching OE quality for automobile powertrain and suspension systems to meet high-end market demand. MOBEAR is not only the investor of a tensioner and timing kit production plant in Wenzhou, but also strategic partner of a wheel hub bearing factory and an air suspension factory, where all our product lines are implemented in accordance with quality management system of IATF 16949. MOBEAR has built a professional QC team and an experienced service team, and custom-developed ERP system with accurate BOM and complete automotive database to guarantee timely delivery of high-quality parts. Our tensioners and timing kits are made to testing standards for world-class brands in the automotive industry of perfect torque control and 300 to 1,200 hours fatigue test. We have established long-standing customer relations with many well-known brands from Germany, Italy, France, Switzerland, Poland, and America. We have successfully delivered OES projects to some of them. Our team consists of well-trained sales, technician, and engineers who are enthusiasts and perfectionists in precision mechanical technology. We are more conscientious to make a difference. That's one of the characteristics which makes MOBEAR a prominent brand in thousands of competitors.